So ow, I just bit my cheek. What is happening? Even the hood looks so cute. Like, it's just so cute. I love it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lauren Ashley Beck, and today we're gonna be doing a reverse tie-dye bleaching. I've clearly been tie-dyeing my entire life. If there's something white in my house, including my dog, I've tie-dyed that as well. I actually did, on accident, tie-dye my dog's foot. My husband was like, babe, Dolce's foot is pink. I was like, yeah, well, there's something in my eye and it's driving me nuts. Of course it happened right when I start filming. Basically, it's really, really simple. You can use something old that you have in your closet. I don't recommend buying anything, but if you do have to buy something, I got these on Amazon. This is just like a medium sweatshirt. I think it was like $14. And this one too, and you can also get them in sets, and it's unisex. I made one for my husband and I made one for myself. Basically, you just tie-dye it, you leave it on for 10 minutes, and then you rinse it, put it in the washing machine. What am I saying? Put it in the washing machine and then you're good to go. I like to have everything set up. So I have a water bottle sprayer. I'm gonna fill half of it up with water and the rest with bleach, and then sort of like shake it up. I wanna make sure you guys wear gloves. I cannot stress enough how horrible bleach is for your skin, which I'm sure all of you know. It's just not good to have those harsh chemicals. So protect your hands, especially because we've all been washing our hands like crazy. My hands are dry, and I'm using just regular old Clorox bleach, kills 99% of germs. I know I've seen people using like toilet bowl gel cleaner, and I guess that works too, but I just like to have the real deal Holyfield. And then I also have rubber bands, also from Amazon. I think this was like $5.99 because I seriously have been tie-dyeing everything, so I needed to have some extra rubber bands. So ow, I just bit my cheek. What is happening? Let's get started on this reverse tie-dye. Basically, I'm gonna do what's called the Scrunch Method. So let me show you, because you guys don't need to see my face while I'm doing it. One sec. Can you guys see that? The Scrunch Method, you wanna do it one by one, but the goal is to like not do it in any sort of pattern. So just like have fun with it, be random. Like I'm literally not even, let me see if I can do it like sideways. And then I'm gonna take a big rubber band and put it around, and it's sort of hard, so just like bear with yourself. You gotta have that grip. You wanna make sure that there's like creases and folds, that's the goal. Whew, I'm working up a sweat. Okay, and then you wanna like scrunch them together. So it's like all one big happy scrunchy family. All right, so this is what the pants look like when they're all done, both sides. You wanna set those to the side. Grab your hoodie, and we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, and then I actually can't stress this enough. I would do this in 3 sections. So I would scrunch the sleeve, scrunch the other sleeve, and then scrunch the middle, just so you have a pattern. Like I said, you can do the swirl method if you want, but I find for this, it looks so much cuter when it's random and sort of not planned out. So I'm doing the same thing that I did with the pants. Let me show you guys. All right, so when the hoodie's done, similar to the pants, it should look something like this. These are the two. Okay, so I'm actually gonna put down some garbage bags because I don't wanna mess up the surface of my table, or you could move outside since you are gonna be working with bleach, heavy duty stuff, and you don't wanna ruin any of your surfaces. I also just realized that I have my really cute sweatshirt on that I just made, so I'm about to go change and then I will be back. All right, so I changed into something that I don't care about getting bleached or dirty. I recommend you do the same. Again, I filled my spray bottle with half water and the rest of that 99% bleach solution, and I've covered my tabletop with garbage bags. I'm putting on my gloves right now, and it already reeks of bleach in my apartment. And then I'm just gonna take my little squirt bottle, get these pants in here. I'll show you guys. The color is already changing. It's already starting to turn that orangey color, which is really cool. You don't want to saturate it completely because, like, look, it's already turning brown and you want to still have some of that black. And you see I've spilled some bleach right here, so I'm gonna make sure I set it to the side so it's not just sitting in that bleach. And why don't we do this since there's bleach and we don't want to waste? Let's do this. See, it's already turning brown. Can you guys tell? Already, just by me dabbing it like this, it already turns brown. Some people like to go in between the folds. That's if you want it more saturated and to have like a bit more color. Again, like I said, I like mine to be a little more random, so I don't want to saturate it completely too much. Like, I like to leave, see some of those black, let's see if you can tell. Yeah, some of those black like little areas. 10 minutes on the clock, 10 minutes. You only wanna leave it for 10 minutes because bleach can burn through cotton and completely ruin, like, some of these rubber bands will probably fall apart because the bleach will eat through it, and bleach can eat through clothing, so only leave it on for 10 minutes. See you in 10.
A few moments later.
All right, so now it is time to rinse them off. That's like really close. Now I've basically ignored the dirty dishes in my sink. It's so weird. Sometimes they come out different, but I actually am loving the kind of burnt auburn red on the hoodie. And then this is more of like a gray. These are super, super wet, and I don't know why there's glitter on my counter because I'm sparkly. I am going to go downstairs to wash these because I don't have my own washer and dryer inside my apartment. I wish I did, and I have to use quarters, which has been such a pain in the bum to get during this coronavirus. So let me go put my mask on and I'm gonna take you guys downstairs to my garage. Another thing I wanna tell you guys before I go downstairs is you don't wanna use like the amount of soap that you would use for a regular load. So I'm literally only taking this much downstairs with me. I'm so dumb. I just realized I have to take the rubber bands off before I go to downstairs. So let's do that. Wow. I just realized I can cut these. What am I doing? Who would have thought? Leave it to Beaver to sit there and try to freaking take off all the rubber bands by hand. Only I would do something like that. All right, all the rubber bands are off. Let's go downstairs and wash this bad boy. Look, I told you guys I've been tie-dyeing everything. I got a problem. I just threw everything in the wash. After it's done washing for about 30 minutes, I'm gonna pull it out and then put it in the dryer, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Something is stuck. I can't not touch my face. All right, so this is the finished product, and I think it came out super, super cute. It's interesting because, like I said earlier, like this one has red undertones, but the pants, you see them? The pants have more like a grayish, brownish undertone. Even the hood looks so cute. Like, it's just so cute. I love it. So this is the top, and it's really, really cute. You can always add more bleach if you want. I like my stuff to be a little more baggy and oversized. It's super comfortable, super soft, doesn't smell like bleach anymore. And then the pants, like I said, have more of a gray undertone. They're slouchy, and this is me with my hood on. Like I said, I literally have been tie-dyeing and reverse tie-dyeing everything. So I just wanted to show you guys a couple different types of styles. You could use the fork method and that will give you this like swirl effect. And it's just a different type of design, whereas the one that I have on right now is more random. And then you can do different colors. That's the thing that's cool. So I have this old crop top. It's green. It's really cute, but I just wanted to add something different. So I added some bleach to it. It's super summery and just something fun that like just changes up my outfit a bit. Again, all of these have different undertones. So I had a sweatshirt from Coachella. I tried reverse bleach dye out on this sweatshirt first because it was my oldest sweatshirt and I was like, you know, I'm not gonna care if anything happens to it, but look how cool it came out. Like, even this is different than the one I have on and my pants. This is like orange undertones. And then I also made one for my husband, which I'm sure he loves. And this one even came out cool. I used the fork method. It like didn't turn red or orange really. It does have like a slight brown undertone. I got more grays from it, which I thought for him was cool because he's more of a subtle kind of guy. I'm the zany crazy one. So yeah, that is my reverse tie-dye Quarantivity. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you tag me on Instagram if you try this reverse tie-dye. My IG is @LaurenAshleyBeck. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new here, and I will see you next time. Maybe I should do a regular tie-dye tutorial, but I've been selling those, so I don't know if I want to give away all of my secrets just yet, although you could probably just YouTube it and see it in another video, and maybe I shouldn't have said that, but I'll see you guys next time. Thanks!